All right, Sam. So here's some additional lumber and more lumber. Here's your slab that is all ready for inspection, which I don't think has occurred. That's why I'm here to check. Here's your final result. The sides, this turned out really nice. There's your pipe for the drain outlet for the retaining wall in the back. It sure looks a lot more different now that it's graded. This is what I wanted you to see. You know? Hey, ¿qué tal? So there's your other line here for your water that we discussed, your electrical. I have to get this place cleaned. And they backfilled this enough to where it's not going to look so high anymore because it's all filled, right? And there's your concrete steps. This building is completely in a position where it's solid. They're going to like that. Your leach field line, as we were discussing, is over there. You keep asking me, which is totally fine, if it's underneath the slab, and there's your leach field line that Bill is connected to, that comes underneath your garage, that goes there. And of course continues out to those two leach fields. One goes left, one goes right. Proceeding with your video, these guys have done a wonderful job with the framing. Let me take another one so this isn't so, well, I think I can still video. I'll take video too on the framing.